Look at this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 26,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, cruise control, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-953-0101 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.